I was going to ask you, but you were busy. I was going to ask you, ልጠይቅህ ነበረ እቅዱ ነበረኝ ግን ቢዚ ነበርክ ማለት ነው። I was going to ask you, but you were busy. I was going to see you at the office, but you had left early. ኦፊስ መጥቻ ያለው ብዬ ነበረ ቪዚት አደርጋለሁ ግን ቀድመህ ሄደሃል። I was going to see you at the office. I was going to ask you. I was going to meet you. ስለዚህ I was going to see you ማለት you had the plan አቅጄ ነበረ ግን አልተሳካም ስትሉ አንድ ነገር I planned but didn't. Something which was planned but didn't happen. So you say I was going to see you at the office but you had left. ቢሮ መጥቼ ያወራለሁ አያለሁ ብዬ ነበር ግን ቀድመህ ሄደሃል ማለት ነው። I was going to see you. In the same way you can say I was going to text you. But you texted first. እኔ ቴክስት ላደርግልህ ነበረ ግን አንተ ቀድመህ ቴክስት አደረግክ። You planned but you didn't. ፕላን ነበራችሁ ግን ያልተከሰተ ሲሆን you say I was going to text you but you texted first. Look at this example too. I was going to call you. ልደውልልህ ነበረ. I was going to call you but I forgot. እቅዱ ነበር ልደውልልህ ግን ረሳሁት ማለት ነው። I was going to call you. So I was going to call you. I was going to ask you. ልጠይቅ ነበረ. I was going to ask you but I was busy. So ፕላኑ ነበረኝ ግን አላደረኩትም ማለት ስትፈልጉ you say I was going to do something. So I was going to visit but I didn't. So I was going to do የምትሉት ምን ሲሆን ነው ማለት ነው? You planned but that plan didn't happen. You planned to do something but it didn't happen. So I was going to ask you but you were busy ነበርክ። Okay, if you have understood how to use I was going to የሚለውን አቅጄ ነበር ላደርግ ግን ያልተከሰተ ሲሆን ነው። እሱን ካወቅን በኋላ let's compare it with had to ከሚለው ጋር ኮምፔር እናርግ። I had to do something ማለት የሆነ ነገር necessary ነበረ ማድረግ የነበረባችሁ እና ያደረጋችሁት። ለምሳሌ yesterday I had to leave. Look, I had to leave early. ቀድሜ መውጣት ነበረብኝ ከስራ for example because my son was sick. ልጄ ታሞ ስለነበረ I had to leave early. ቀድሜ መውጣት ነበረብኝ እና አድርጌዋለሁ ማለት ፈልጉ I had to የሚለውን ተጠቀማላችሁ። ስለዚህ አንድ ነገር necessary ከነበረ ወይም ኦብሊጌሽን ከነበረው መደረግ የነበረበት I had to ነው የምትሉት in the past። ለምሳሌ ትናንትና ሚቲንግ ኢምፖርታንት ነበረ፣ በጣም ጠቃሚ ነበረ። So it was important and I had to attend it. ያ ማለት መከታተል ነበረብኝ፣ መሳተፍ ነበረብኝ፣ አረኩት ማለት ነው። I had to attend it because it was important. I had to attend yesterday's meeting and I did it ማለት ነው had to. I was going to ግን አቅጄ ነበረ ግን ያልተደረገ። ስለዚህ had to እና was going to በመጠቀም እነዚህን ኮምፕሊት እናርግ። was going to አቅዳችሁት ግን ያልተከሰተ፣ ልታረጉ የነበረ ላረግ ነበረ ግን አልተከሰተም። had to ግን had to do something ማለት ማረግ ነበረብኝ ማለት እና ያረጋችሁ ሲሆን and I did it ስትሉ I had to attend, I had to leave, I had to finish it yesterday እያለች ትሰራለች። ስለዚህ was going to እና had to በሚለው እንጨርሳለን ማለት ነው። ይሄንን good. I blank call you last night but I fell asleep. So had to ነው የምለው ወይስ I was going to? It says last night but I fell asleep ግን እንቅልፍ ይዞኝ ሄደ እንደማለት ነው። So I blank call you. So you say I was going to call you. Right, but አቅጄ ነበረ ግን እንቅልፍ ይዞኝ ሄደ ማለት ነው። I was going to call you but I fell asleep. We blank cancel the trip. ትሪፑን ካንስል ምን ማድረግ because of the storm. በስቶርሙ ምክንያት there was a storm. So we blank cancel the trip. We were going to ነው የምትሉት ወይስ we had to? There was a storm. So we had to cancel ማድረግ ነበረብንና አድርገናል because there was a storm ማዕበል ነበረ ማለት ነው። good. You blank bake a cake. Sorry, she blank bake a cake. but she ran out of eggs. she ran out of egg ran out of something ማለት አልቆብኛል ስትሉ ነው። ran out of በሚለው ቪዲዮ ተሰርቷል። እሱን ቼክ ማለት ትችላላችሁ። I ran out of money, I ran out of pepper, or you may say my pen ran out of ink ማለት ትችላላችሁ። ran out of አንድ ነገር ሲያልቅ ማለት so she blank bake a cake but she ran out of egg. so she planned አቅዳ ነበር. she was going to bake a cake. ኬክ ቤክ ልታዘጋጅ ነበረ but she ran out of egg ግን አልነበራትም። so እቅዱ ነበራት ግን አላደረገችው። ስለዚህ I was going to do something ማለት you planned but things didn't happen. they blank finished the project before Monday. it was urgent አስቸኳይ ከነበረ ምን ማድረግ ነበረባቸው? so they had to finish the project before Monday. it was urgent and they did it.